Welcome back to Vegas Gabe. I am on tour. We are traveling right now. So I'm actually not in Vegas. I am actually in San Diego, California. We are in downtown San Diego, which is very close to the Gaslamp district. If you don't know Gaslamp, it's very popular for its nightlife. A lot of bars, a lot of nightclubs. Petco Park, where the San Diego Padres plays, right there. It's a great location. It is on the pricier side, but we are here. So I'm going to do a room tour. We're at a Double Tree. It's a Double Tree by Hilton in downtown San Diego on 1st Street, I believe. So let's go. Oh no, I'm sorry, Front Street, on Front Street. So anyway, I'll stop talking. I'm going to flip the camera on and give you a room tour. So here's the entrance, of course. Just a little mirror right there, nothing fancy. Here's the bathroom right when you walk in to your left. So this hotel is kind of old. You could tell it's old, but it is clean, very clean, so that's good. Parking is on the steeper side. It's $40 a night to use their parking garage, which is very expensive, but we're traveling, what can you do, you know? But anyway, back to the room tour. You have your sink, soap, tissues, napkins. There's some lotion right there. Towels, hair dryer. Here is just the bathtub, very basic bathtub. Like I said, you could tell it's dated, but it is, it is clean, which is all I can ask for. Shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. So let's go see the rest of the room now. All right, so this particular room, the only option they had for us is double bed, so we're in a double right now. So here's when you walk in. Here, I'll go a little bit back. So we just got out of the bathroom. There's your AC unit right there. If you got a double, this is what it would look like right here. So, if you've watched my videos for a while, I always talk about chargers, like charging stations. So there's a USB port right here. Looks like there's a couple outlets right there. Lamps. There you go. Let's see the firmness of the bed. I always like to do that. Okay, it's a pretty firm bed. The pillows seem really good though, so that's good. You got your TV. It's actually a nice size TV, so that's good. I don't know if you know about the Double Tree brand, but when you check in, they actually give you a cookie. So we got a cookie for each of us. Let's see what kind it is. It looks like oatmeal. But yeah, anytime you stay at a Double Tree, they actually give you complimentary water, and then they give you a cookie for each person when you check in. You do have your glasses right here. More charging stations, so if you're bringing a laptop to work or anything, you'll have room right here along with the chair, so that's good. Ice bucket, of course. So it looks like between both beds you only have that charging area right there, or the outlet areas right there, but actually that's plenty. Let's see what we got in here now. This is in the cabinet right here. So you got your hangers, you can hang stuff up right there, your ironing board. Here's a coffee station, so you can do some coffee right there. Okay, so it looks like those are going to be the ones that come in a bag, and you just put it in the bag right in there. Creamer, coffee. So yeah, this isn't the K-cup type, but hey, as long as it gives me coffee in the morning, that's all I can ask for. You got a chair, little desk area right here. I brought my own water bottle. Sometimes I have fill-up stations. And then I stopped to put gas, and I just got this. This is a Modelo Agua Fresca. So after the drive, I'm going to enjoy one of those. And here's probably my favorite part of the room. It actually has a balcony. So you can see downtown San Diego from here. Let's go see what we can see here. So you can see the pier right there. You can see all the boats and all. That's actually pretty cool. If someone was outside, we'd be able to see them. This is a dog park right here. I saw some people outside. Definitely a dog park. Close by, there's really not much to really say. That's just the freeway right here. So when you got off the freeway, this exit right here is literally the first building on the right. There's a Chevron right here, so you can actually buy some stuff if you need, beer, soda, energy drinks, whatever, you're gonna buy it there. But a beautiful location. You can see how close we are to the airport too. Southwest is about to land right there. But other than that, we're planning on going to the Gaslamp tonight, the Gaslamp district. So I'll kind of show you around there a little bit, see what we got there.